So, druids, trees, Celtic mysteries, magicians, mythology, all of that stuff, ancient ancestors. And yet, this is now, this is here, this is the place. I'm sitting in the center of Avalon, and I'm sitting under a beautiful hornbeam tree, very underrated tree. Everybody talks about all the other trees. I'm giving it some love because people don't realize how incredibly wonderful this tree is. It is a tree that gives you courage. It gives a tree to give you courage when you're overwhelmed. It gives you the ideas again. It gives you the flow again. It unstucks you. I love that. Unstucks you, unsticks you. But it is really about being in connection with another being, with another beautiful, living, breathing being. It shades us. It protects us from the crazy winds of change. It says, I've been here for 100 years, for 200 years. I've seen it all. You think you're all so flippin' important, but you too shall pass, and I'll still be here, and I will see other people that also need my help. So I'm just leaning against the tree, I'm closing my eyes, I'm ignoring the traffic noise, I feel the wind in my hair, I can dream, I can dance around the tree in my mind's eye, I can connect with the soul of the tree, I can feel its breath, its heartbeat, its soul essence. If you want to, you can come and sit under my tree. If you want to, you can be with the tree and all the beings that live in it. Because as I'm leaning against the bark, there's like thousands, tens of thousands of beings that are living in the bark that the tree protects. And as I'm sitting on the floor, I can feel the roots, my roots, connecting with the roots of the tree. I can feel the energy. I can feel the connection with the mycelium. And I can feel the energy of the people who see me sitting here thinking, what the heck is she up to now? But what the heck, I don't care. I'm enjoying that luminous green that is spring. I'm enjoying the rustle of the leaves in the winds. It's the way that the tree communicates its wisdom to those who are willing to hear. We are a tiny, tiny part of this world. And yet, we truly believe that we are the center of it all. How foolish, how arrogant we are as human beings. I love this place. I'm right underneath the cemetery. It's one of these places where you really rest easy, that's for sure. And you can feel the roots of the trees going all through the sacred land of Avalon. You can feel the energy that is rising, the sap is rising. And in a couple of days, it's Beltane. And that Beltane is going to be a very special Beltane because there have been ructions. It's been all over Facebook. If you missed it, you're not looking. And what we had to do was scramble. We had to go back to the basics. In order to facilitate this beautiful event, we had to all pull together on the same side of the rope. And it was a coming together. It was a litmus test. Can you do it, or is your falling out more important than everything else? And I find that particularly important. I'm joyful. I'm hopeful. We are the heart chakra of the world. And the people who've lived here and who've worked here will work together in harmony no matter what faith they're following. We're not all the same, but we do believe in the same ethos that this place is way more important than any of us and any of the drama. And that is my favorite learning for this week. I hope that this video finds you well. I hope that you feel like you too are connected to nature. It is the only way forward right now, folks. Sit with the trees, lean against them, feel their energy, see their beauty, revel in the energy of renewal and rebirth that is flowing through them. They're our teachers. They've always been our teachers. When we first came out of the trees or out of the primordial sludge or whatever theory you're following, they were here for us and they taught us. And we used to know how to speak to them telepathically or maybe through touch. Maybe they spoke our language at one point. Maybe we all spoke the same language at some point. But one thing is for sure, without them, we wouldn't be here. And what do? Destroy everything that stands in our way. So let's do it. Let's sit with the trees, let's protect them, let's be together. Together we're stronger, always, here in Avalon and all over the world. So blessings upon all of you, and have a wonderful day. I certainly will. Blessed be.